Morning guys, welcome back to the studio. We've got a mega busy day today, starting off with this beautiful E36. We've got two-stage machine polish, wheels off, ceramic coat in the lot. We've got the works on that one. We've also got, follow me, young Samuel, we've got this brand new RS5. Really nice colour on that. It's got like a purpley tinge to it. Beautiful thing. So that is also having single stage for a new car, crystal serum and EXO on that one. And also Lewis is just about to start on this 3 Series, which we've just had the windows tinted. So thank you Hearts Tints Wraps for that. And yeah, nice clean up on that one. 2-stage maybe single stage. We'll see what the paint looks like under the lights. But yeah, busy day. Let's crack on. Guys, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, set the alarm on so you get all the notifications when a new video drops. There's loads of interesting detailing content on there now, so have a flick through, let us know what you think in the comments. So prep for the E36 is about to start. We're just taking the wheels off to get a good clean on the arches. As you'll see, inside the arch is already fairly tidy, but these cars are notorious for rust on the inside of here, where dirt gets trapped in, gets filled with water, doesn't dry out properly, and then the bubbles start to come through on the outside. We're going to make sure that this car, as it's going into storage in about a year or so's time, that it's completely fresh, free of all the dirt and stuff in the arches. Make sure that there's no chance of any rust coming through. We're also going to do the wheels while they're off the car. Make sure that the inside of the barrels is all clean and sealed up as well. The spokes, because there's so many spokes on these wheels, it's very difficult to get in with a brush. So taking the wheels off gives you full access to the inside of the barrel. So main project of the day is completed. It's the 3 Series. It's had the deep wheel arch clean. It's had the wheels off, cleaned all the barrels out, sealed up, fresh to go. We've also got the RS5 done, ceramic coated, so that's all sorted. And the 3 Series went back earlier as well, so that had a coat of crystal ceramic exo. Customer very happy with that one, and that one had window tints on it as well. So we're wrapping up for the day. Been an absolute mad one, but I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Stay tuned, we'll see you next time.